Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize LifeLock account security settings for identity protection, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LifeLock website. Log into your LifeLock account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. Click on the account settings link to access your security options. Find the section labeled Security Settings or Identity Protection. Review the current security features enabled on your. To make changes, select the option to edit or modify your security settings. You may encounter options such as alert settings, credit monitoring, and dark web monitoring. Enable any additional features that suit your identity protection needs. Once you've selected your desired features, be sure to save any changes made. You might be prompted to verify your identity through a security question or a code sent to your email or phone. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After verification, your new security settings should be in effect. Make sure to periodically review these settings to ensure they align with your current needs. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once everything is set, log out of your account to ensure your changes are secure. Always keep your password updated and avoid using the same password across multiple sites. Review any security alerts or notifications periodically to stay informed about your account status. This completes the guide on authorizing your LifeLock account security settings for identity protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.